Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and very good morning. I'm Dr. Al-Aarifin. You can call me Al from Medical Education Department USM. Today let me share with you one innovative way how to change or how to empower your PowerPoint slide presentation so that your students or your audience will benefit more from your presentation. Before we start, I think it's better for you to have your smartphone or your laptop so that you can have a hands-on experience during this presentation. Now, we always present, alright? Present in a meeting, in a classroom, in a seminar, and so on and so forth. But the question is how to make our presentation more effective or more attractive as well as interactive. Alright, let me introduce you Poll Everywhere. Alright, this is a free software for the basic function, of course. We can download it from polleverywhere.com. I will explain in detail how this software can be used in our presentation. Before we start, I think before we proceed, I think it's better for us to have hands-on general idea what this software is all about. Alright, okay, when we present something to our students, for example, alright, sometimes we can have a feedback session with them, alright, or we can ask their opinion about something. Alright, for example, what is the best option, white, black, or green? So the student can every student can have opportunity to actually select or to choose either one. Alright, either black, white, or anything. Alright, depends on the question. So the student can choose using the handset, for example, smartphone. Alright, so the result will automatically updated, alright, in our PowerPoint slide. Now, I think let us move on into a practical session. Alright, I will actually divide the presentation into before, during, and after. Alright, and we will follow these 7 steps. And if you properly understand these 7 steps, you will be able to actually master to use this Poll Everywhere software. Now, the first step is you need to sign up. Alright, how to sign up? Of course, you need to go to your browser. Alright, go to your browser and then go to polleverywhere.com website. Okay, this is the first step. Of course, you need internet connection. And okay, let me log out first from my account. Okay, so this is what you will see interface of polleverywhere.com. Alright, for first time user, you need to log in. You need to sign up first, right? Because you don't have your own account. So you have to choose whether you are participants or you are presenter. Alright, of course, we are presenter, and never mind. You can actually change the setting later on. Don't worry. Alright, just fill up the form and create my Poll Everywhere account. So the details will be sent to your email and confirm your account, and then you can log in into this website. Alright, the second step is embed Poll Everywhere to PowerPoint slide. What I mean embed Poll Everywhere to PowerPoint is just like this. Alright, when you open your PowerPoint software, the Poll Everywhere software will be integrated or will appear at the tab of your PowerPoint. Alright, how to do this? Alright, it's very simple. You go to Poll Everywhere .com, alright, .com/app. Okay, just click. Alright, Poll Everywhere Presenter add-in. So you click the download. Alright, when you click the download, the installer will be appeared here. Alright, so you just click download the apps and install it and enjoy it in PowerPoint. So very simple, very simple. No need to do anything else. Just follow the instruction. At the end of the day, you will have your PowerPoint with Poll Everywhere embedded into your PowerPoint tab. Alright, now the third step is to create your poll. Okay, how to create your poll? Open your PowerPoint slides, choose what type of poll by clicking the new icon. Alright, set the question, click slideshow, choose slide position. Alright, so you go to the poll everywhere and choose new. Alright, choose new, and you can create there are multiple choices how the audience can respond from your poll, right, from your question. You can choose multiple choice, open-ended question, question and answer, ranking, or clickable image. Right, a lot of things you can do by using this Poll Everywhere software. Now during presentation, during the presentation, what you have to do is you have to instruct your students, of course for first timer, alright, ask them to install special apps, okay, from the Google Play. I'm not sure whether the iOS base is available or not, alright, but in the Play Store or Google Store, there are special apps for Poll Everywhere applications, right? So, or if they are using laptop, or desktop, they can go to www.polleverywhere.com, just like I show you just now. All right, and they can respond by using this website. All right. And then next step is to present your slide. Make sure your slide is in a slideshow mode. Alright. And then ask the audience to participate by asking them to respond to your question, to your poll, and etc. Now the last one is to review back your poll. Alright. You can actually review back what is the response from the students. What is the, for example, you create a survey, so you can see back what you have done during your presentation. All right, this is important for your reflective learning, for example. Now, as I mentioned just now, there are a few types of poll you can choose. All right. Let me show you an example how one of the function is to give open-ended question. All right, open-ended question. So you can choose how the response will appear in your slideshow during your presentation. Cluster, text wall, word cloud, ticker. All right. So this is one of the example. All right. So the student will open will go to the Poll Everywhere apps. All right. So make sure that you connect with the internet connection. You have your Wi-Fi or on your data. Alright. For example, students want to respond to you, is good. Alright. So the response will automatically appear in your slideshow. Interesting. Okay, another